get your pile of boxes delivered or you get them out and you're ready to start installing seats on your boat, this is the process that we go through at Tom's Toons when it's time to unbox everything and get the boat coming together. Whether you're working on your boat outside in the yard, if it's a nice day, or you're in your pole barn, or we're here in this warehouse, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna kind of start to get our seats and seat bases and accessories around the boat. One thing that's super helpful is we just take our deck designer printout and we look at what seats are going where on the boat. We really like to get our flooring down. This got the gray teak plank from pontoonstuff.com. And I'm gonna start with my seat bases. So I'm gonna get all my seat bases, for instance, this 30-inch corner base. I'm gonna start here, get this front corner seat out and somewhat in position. Always check the bottom of your box, make sure that none of the hardware fell out. I'm gonna continue getting all of my seat bases unboxed and up, then I'll move to the cushions. One big thing is you need to be looking out for, especially if you ordered a lot of stuff like a stereo, lighting, etc., all those accessories, we're gonna look for this orange tag right here. The way you know that your accessories are grouped up and not necessarily in their own box are these orange tags, and this box weighs about 10 times what all the other base boxes weigh. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up so I can see what all is inside. And there you go. We've got speakers, we've got a whole goodie box, fence risers, I've got docking lights, a stereo, my electrical harness, so all sorts of stuff in this box. Now I've got all those accessories pulled out, we'll deal with those later. I can get my 38-inch bench seat up on the boat. If you're shopping for your pontoon boat, you're looking at these beautiful luxury seats, maybe the classic or the premium too, new flooring, plywood, consoles. Pontoon Stuff's got it all. You can use Tom's Toons at checkout. It saves you 5% on your whole order, and it helps our channel out with a little kickback from that purchase. I'm gonna keep going, getting all my bases up. Then I can unbox all of my cushions and get those up and ready to install on the seat bases. And then this boat will be coming together. We do all of this before we put the railings on. It ends up saving us a lot of time and effort, just getting them in. Nothing's gonna get screwed down yet, but getting them up on the boat and ready to have the railings put on, then install the seats into the deck. We've got our seats up, we're ready to get our deck trim on and our railings on. This is the luxury with the navy diamond inlay, a gray base seat. Really, really sharp. This is the newest color to come out in the luxury stuff. Couple quick notes, double check your boxes for those little bags of hardware. You're gonna need those, you're gonna be sad if you throw a box away and you don't have your hardware. And you're gonna see this little sign on all of your boxes with furniture, the vinyl furniture in them. Resist using that box cutter. If you do, just know that there is vinyl right underneath that cardboard. And the last thing you wanna do is cut your brand new seat. That is how we approach getting everything unboxed and up on the boat. Pretty quick and simple when we have the railings off out of the way and we can just load everything on. Thank you for watching.